Hi guys. All right, in this math lesson, we are going to be talking about angles in 2D shapes. Angles are very similar to vertices, but I need you to understand that they are different. So, like in this shape right here, we have a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides and 4 vertices. This point right here is the vertex, but the angle itself is where the two sides of a shape meet. So the point is a vertex, and the fact that these two sides meet are what makes the angle. So this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. And then this triangle at the bottom here is showing you that it has 3 angles and 3 vertices and 3 sides, and that's what makes it a triangle. So now we're going to be finding the number of angles in each of these shapes. So let's look at this first one. This first shape has 5 sides, so that means, and 5 vertexes, so that means it is a pentagon. So since it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles, has 5 sides, 5 vertices, and 5 angles. So no matter what, those numbers are going to be the same, like I said with vertices and sides as well. Our next shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. So since it has 6 angles, it has 6 vertices and 6 sides. So that makes it a hexagon. And this is a pentagon. Our next shape has 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. And you can also see that this might help you understand what an angle is a little bit better. This angle is smaller than this angle. This is a big angle because there's more space between the two lines. This is a small angle because there's less space between the two lines. So since it has 4 angles, it has 4 vertices and 4 sides, and that makes it a quadrilateral. Hopefully I spelled that right. I think so. Let's look at this next shape. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 angles. So we have 5 angles, 5 vertices, and 5 sides, which makes it a pentagon. So both these are pentagon. Now obviously these shapes look very different, but they both have 5 angles, 5 vertices, and 5 sides. All right, let's do a few more. All right. This shape right here has 1, 2, 3 angles. So since it has 3 angles, it has 3 vertices and 3 sides, that makes this a triangle. Let's look closely at this shape here. Let's look at these angles. So this angle right here is really small, you can see. And this angle here is really big. We have another small angle and another big angle. So that means this has 4 angles, 4 vertices, and 4 sides, which makes it a quadrilateral. All right, this next one is a rectangle. So we already know it's a quadrilateral. So we know it has 4 sides and 4 angles, or 4 sides and 4 vertices. So it also has 1, 2, 3, 4 angles. And you can also see that these angles are all the exact same length, or they're all the same size. So it has 4 angles. So that makes it also a quadrilateral. All right, this next one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. So since it has 6 angles, 6 vertices, and 6 sides, that makes this a hexagon. All right, fill in the bubble next to all the shapes that have 5 angles. Well, this first one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is not right. This next one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this has 5 angles. So I'm going to fill this one in. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. So that also does not have 5 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one does have 5 angles, so I can fill in this one. All right, that is it for our lesson today. So you can go and do the 11.5 PMT.